dear children, today we will start our lesson number 4, the operating system Windows 10. Children, if I ask you that who brings your mails at home, so your answer will be the postman. So here the postman works as a middleman between you and the mails. In the same way, in computers, operating system acts as a middleman which provides an interface between you and your computer. It enables you to interact with your computer. Let us learn more about our operating system. So an operating system is an important system software. It is the first program that gets loaded on the computer when a computer starts. So when we are starting our computer, the first program which is loading into our computer's memory is the operating system. A computer cannot work without an operating system. The three most common operating systems for personal computers are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and Linux. The basic functions of the operating systems are as follows. Some of the basic functions of operating system are: it provides an interface to the user, means it acts as a middleman between user and the computer. It manages all the hardware components that are attached to the computer system. It works as like a manager, and it manages all the hardware components which are attached to the computer. It recognizes input from input devices such as keyboard and mouse. So whatever the input we are giving from the input devices, keyboard and mouse, it recognizes that to the computer. It sends output to the output devices such as monitor and printer. It recognizes it sends output to the output devices. It only sends us the output through the output devices such as monitor and printer. It keeps track of all the files and folders on the hard disk. It keeps the track of all the files and folders. It allows to run application program such as Paint, WordPad and Notepad on the computer. It only allows any of the application program to run on the computer, whether it will be Paint, WordPad or Notepad. Information is given here. The process of loading of the operating system into computer's main memory, when it is switched on, it's called startup or booting. So process of loading operating system into computer's memory is known as booting. Now, introduction to Windows. In Windows is a popular operating system developed by Microsoft. Over the years, there have been many different versions of Windows, but the most recent ones are Windows 10. So most recent latest Windows is Windows 10, which was released in 2015. Windows 8 was released in 2012 and Windows 7 was released in 2009. Each version has different look and feel, however the basic principles are same. So here the figure is given of Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 8. Now, the Windows operating system provides a graphical user interface to work on a computer. A graphical user interface lets you use your mouse to click icons, buttons and menu. It also makes everything clearly visible on the screen using a combination of graphics and text. So, Windows operating system provides you a graphical user interface, means you can use graphic as well as text to your documents. The Windows 10 desktop. Once the computer gets booted, a lock screen appears on the monitor. When you start your Windows 10 desktop, when your computer gets booted, a lock screen appears on your computer. This is the lock screen of Windows 10 desktop. On pressing enter key, the next screen appears that asks you to enter password. After appearing of lock screen, when you press the enter key, the next screen will appear like this, which will ask you to enter your password. This is the authentication screen. On entering password, the following screen appears. This is called the Windows 10 desktop. When you enter your password, the screen which will appear is like this. This is the Windows 10 desktop. These are the icons. This is the start button. These are search box. These are pinned programs, and this is the taskbar, the horizontal bar, and this is the desktop background. The desktop is the main screen of the computer. It has the following components. Icons. Small pictures on the desktops are called icons. An icon may represent a file, folder or program. So these small pictures are known as the icons. it is representing a file, folder or program. Start button, it is located at the bottom left corner of the desktop. It opens the start menu when you click on it. So start button is there here. It is located at the left corner of the desktop. It opens when it opens the start menu when you click on it. Taskbar, a horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It holds the start button, search box, file explorer, print programs, time and date, and notification area. So this is the taskbar, which is long horizontal bar at the bottom. Desktop background, the background image of the desktop is called desktop background or wallpaper. This is the screen with the picture appears on this screen in the desktop is known as desktop background or wallpaper. Search box and print programs, you can search application or anything on the computer or internet using the search box. The print program are shortcuts to applications. So these are the print programs, these are the shortcuts to our applications. We can search anything from them. Notification area, it shows various notification of the computer. It also shows battery percentage in a laptop. The notification area, it is here. It shows us the battery percentage of our laptop or computer. Now viewing icons in large, medium or small size. If you want to change the size of your icons displayed on the desktop, you have to follow these steps. First, right click in the blank area on the desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. You have to right click on the blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. Second step is click the view option and then click on any of the following option. Then you have to click on the view option. Then the following option, from the following option you have to click any one of them. Large icons, medium icons or small icons. Large icons is used to view icons in big size. Medium icons is used to view icons in normal size. By default this is only selected. Small icons is used to view icons in small size. So this is the setting size of icons of the desktop. The screen appears like large icons, medium icons, small icons. You can select any one which you want to select. Now arranging icons on the desktop. You can also arrange the icons on the desktop by name, size, item type or date modified. To do so, again you have to follow certain steps. First, right click in the blank area on the desktop. You have to right click. Second step, click the sort by option and then click any of the following options. You have to click on sort by, then you have to click name or size. For name, to arrange the icons in alphabetical order by the icon name. So name option is arranging your icons in the alphabetical order, and size to arrange the icons in order of their size. Size icon is arranging your icons according to the size. And item type to arrange the icons in order of their type. Date modified to arrange the icons in order of the last modified date data.